Hello, this is a video for the series of strips of paper. This is just part of a major series of writing material. So your child would have already traced sandpaper letters, written them in the sand, gone through the series of chalkboards down to paper and pencil material. So your child's hand should be ready and be able to carry a pencil. So I demonstrate to the child the correct pincer grip. If he doesn't hold it correctly, or with the pincer grip, which I should say, that's all right. You just make sure his hand is relaxed as he can make. So we traced it. Right, and then and so on. This packet has all the same initial strokes. The other side, and the child. They may make it big, as big as the paper, that's all right. As they get better, their letters get smaller. And we continue. So it's as easy as taking any copy paper, regular white paper, and cutting it. This is about 1.5 to 1.25 inches. Actually, yeah, just about 5. No, it's this way. About 6 of them. So I'm going to show you the material as I have it laid out. You can choose your own system. It could be different. This is a well-loved series, as you can see. There is no specific order as to which envelope, except that they begin with blank paper, like this. I have letters that begin with in the same manner all together. So N, M, V, Y, X, Z. In this envelope, these are all the loops. So now the child is going this way. E, L, B, H, K, F. And then this one goes up and back down on itself, which might be a little tricky sometimes for the little ones. I, U, W, T, J, P, R, S. And then this one is also another one back on itself. So the C goes back on itself. They all begin the same way. C, O, A, G, Q, T. And then, so within this, they can choose anyone. Once they're fairly good at this, you introduce the line paper. Johnny, you've been writing so well on these strips of paper. Today I want to show you how we write on paper with lines. You see these blue lines? Yeah. And they're much like our handwriting chart that I want to show you. Here are all of our letters in the alphabet. You can sing the alphabet with them to show all the letters. And you can see how some of them stay inside this blue space and how some of them peek out. Inside the space, he's peeking out. He's inside the space. Oh, he's peeking out on the top and bottom. And now this one's peeking out at the bottom. So let's start with this one. And then you go ahead and you show the child how in this packet, all of these letters stay inside the space. And that they're free to use any of the ones with lines now. So the peeking out, or excuse me, the line paper includes these on the spaces. These letters are all in the spaces. These letters all stick out at the top. I put F in there because he's a special one. And these all stick out at the bottom. And you can choose to have this one or not. This includes letters that are now holding hands. Cursive is a really friendly way of writing. is they hold hands. Words that are in the same families hold hands. So you can see how I've included in here some that connect rather strangely. So the ah connects in the air as well as the B. I've included like a word or typical endings and then longer until they realized they could write words. And that's the end of the paper series.